Hello again. Hey, Fire Agate Mark here, and the lovely Fire Agate Amber J, who's getting ready to take some pictures of me while I do a little carving on some stones. I usually don't do this with the high grade. This is usually something I would do under extreme magnification, so I'm super close to the stone, and it makes me nervous to carve on camera because if I get worried about what's on camera, I could make a mistake. But these are some of the ones that I'll be working with, and I'm really excited. So she's going to help me. Hang on, I'll zoom in a little. See if you can see what I'm gonna. Oh, wrong way. Let's see what I'm gonna be seeing. So we have some electric blue. This electric baby blue is right underneath a little lip of this greenish brown, and I'm slowly breaking through with a fine sintered 600 grit rounded bit that I'll show you, and that comes from the sintered burr wallet from Cutting Edge Supply. And
wow.
Yeah, some of the colors on this one, they're right under the surface, right underneath that yellowish brown, so I've got to break in super gradually, super slowly, that way I can polish into the color and I don't lose any of that. That's one of them. This one, oops, this one's nice because it's got that electric blue, then it's got some purple and some green. There's two different layers of purple, and there's purple on either side of a layer of blue. So what I'm going to do is cut down to the brown above the first layer of purple, and then try to sand and polish into the purple. That way if it breaks through into the blue. I hope that makes sense. I'm shooting above the layer that I want, so if I shoot through, then I'll still be into something that's beautiful. And lastly, this one's going to be a big one. That's just some very clear chalcedony over these pink, green, red, gold. Just so many intense, pretty colors that are coming through. That's going to be a fun one. Just for the time, and these are all dopped onto sticks. So I'm going to pass the camera back over. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not going to be talking now. She'll do a little filming, and then we'll be back. Just the lightest strokes, easy and gentle. Again, you can always come back and remove more material, but you just can't put it back. And you want to pay careful attention to the contour of the bubbles, to the shape of the bubbles, and remember that you're not polishing a flat surface, it's rounded. So attack it from all angles for that nice even pattern. You can see where it's breaking through in here. Let's see, is it showing? Kind of, is it? Yeah. And again, still stop and check your stone frequently. I'm working under magnification so I can see what I'm doing. Probably 4,000 to 5,000 RPM as far as the speed goes, and maybe an ounce to an ounce and a half of pressure on the bit.
Yeah, that's perfect right there. Oh.
Still down there.
The color's coming out though.
Yeah, that blue is intensifying a little bit more. All right. Don't let yourself get too excited. If you see really pretty colors, try to throttle back, because your natural impulse is going to be to increase your speed or pressure, and you want to stay consistent with it. If you're not consistent, you won't have consistent results. That's not nothing before. Oh, go ahead. You can see that I'm gradually coming in. It's starting to intensify on the top, and you can see right underneath it is that purple blue. It's where it breaks through. I still have some more on the edge. You can see where the lip is occurring. I just want to give you an idea of what I'm going for. Oops, sorry. I have Amber J standing on the ladder, and thank you for that. She was uncomfortable doing it, but we wanted to share some of what I'm doing. So until I can find a camera that's going to allow this a little bit better, I'm going to have to film in stages. So thank you for watching Mark's Minerals videos. We will be back with more of this along the way, more carving, more sanding, more refining, and awesome when this of course when we start to polish, that's going to be my favorite part. Oh boy. Thank you so much for watching Mark's Minerals videos. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. You can always check out ourminerals.net. If you go online, you'll see some of our products, some of the fire agate, some of the high grade and imperial that we have listed. If you have any ideas for future videos, you can always reach out to fireagatemark@gmail.com. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. We'll talk to you soon.
Don't forget, Zoom classes are now available.
Thank you.